Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to display photo watermark on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, adding watermark helps protect your photos from unauthorized use. It indicates ownership and can deter others from using your image without permission, which is especially important for photographers, artists, and content creators. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the camera application. And here you can access the settings menu. Okay, and then select the customize watermark option. Upon selecting this option, you will encounter several choices. Firstly, the time watermark option. If it's enabled, this will display the date and time watermark on your photos. Secondly, the city watermark option. This will provide information on where the photo was taken. And thirdly, the brand watermark option. This will add the Infinix GT20 Pro watermark to your photos. And lastly, the text watermark option. Here you can customize your own watermark according to your preferences. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to display photo watermark on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.